Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the mail last week I got this special package, an AnthroDesk. If you don't know what an AnthroDesk is, if you've seen those desks before that can raise up and down so you can either stand at it or sit at it, this is supposed to be kind of a hybrid version where you can put it on a desk that you already have, a sitting desk, and then it can raise up and down so that you can be able to stand or sit to your liking. And yeah, it should help with back pain or just any kind of comfort. I know if I sit for a long time, it isn't very fun. So I'm going to put this thing together. I'll show you how it goes together, how quick it is, and then I will talk about it a little bit. So let's open this up. Here we have the installation instructions. All right, so the version I got is, I think it's called the mahogany version. As you can see, it is that color. So let's pull it out here. This looks like the base. I'm gonna set that to the side here for a second. And we've got a pole here. Well, we'll get that in a second. This is easier. This is the top part. AnthroDesk. We have 4 bars. So pull each of those out. We have an Allen key and some screws. And if I can get this last piece out, which it doesn't really want to. Nothing underneath. There we go. Got the last little bar out there. Get this box out of the way. All right, so step 1. Take out the 4 rail pulls and insert them to the holes on the base platform. The smaller wood platform. Insert the thicker 2 poles in the back and the thinner 2 poles in the front. Screw down the 4 poles with the screws and the Allen key. All right, so I was wrong. This smaller one is the base. So it says, oh, I see how this works. So smaller ones in the front. Wonder if this will stay like this. Actually, hold on a sec. Let's leave that there. Let's get these out. All right, so there's our Allen key and our 4 screws. They all look pretty well the same size. And so I put the bar on the top there, and then underneath is where we're gonna have to screw it in here. And it really isn't really heavy. I can feel it tightening in good already. I can feel the pole kind of being sucked in there. And I'll tighten it just a little bit more. Okay, there's one. Let's get the other small one in here. You can see one side has a hole in it, one side doesn't, so the side with the hole will be the side we're putting in there. Once it finds the grooves, and it goes in pretty easy. It's nice that it comes with the Allen key, because then you don't have to go find a tool in your toolkit anywhere. All right. Bigger ones, same thing. Bigger ones go at the back. There we go, got it. All right. Now I can do a little bit more. Okay, let's flip this way. All right. Okay. Set that up here. Step 2, take the keyboard platforms and release the slider levels by rotating them towards the center of the platform. Slide the keyboard platform through the rails and rotate the slider levers toward the outside of the platform to tighten. All right. So let's take this. Here's our platform. These need to be on the outside. And then we'll just slip it on. Can you see that? Let's just give me a second here. Let's just arch that up a bit for you. All right, so this is going on here, and the other side. This is probably going to be the hardest part, just making sure these all line up. Okay, there's one. Those two are good. That one, and there we go. Okay. And then you just close them like that. Now it won't move. And then it says step 3, cover the top of the rail poles with the plastic cover. Here's the plastic cover. It says AnthroDesk on it. And press down firmly. And step 4, adjust to the desired height for added support. Use the included adjustable rod as support between the two platforms to adjust the rod. Oh, here's this, the adjustable rod. There's a little bottom piece for it here that's grippy, and actually it's a little bit sticky to keep it in place. I'm just going to stick that in there. So you can, if you twist this, then it extends or goes down. So if we were to loosen this and say bring it up to here, and you wanted some extra support, we could, it's even going to be too go. So let's bring it up almost to the top there. And you just put it there and twist it, put it up, and tighten it. And then it could be an extra support underneath. And I think that's about it. Step 5 says move the keyboard platform up and down by rotating the slider levers towards the center of the platform. That's this thing. To adjust the height and rotate them back outwards to tighten. Adjust the support rod for a new height. The support rod can be placed on the base platform or the base desk of the table you are using. Yeah, so you could put it on the side here to be on the desk. Yeah, that was pretty quick, pretty simple. It looks like it's pretty good quality. That's pretty firm. I was already using it to read the instructions. So there you go. You can see the back of it, and that looks like it's about 1.5 to 2 feet up. If I was to be working here, standing here, instead of at this table, it would definitely be up at the right height for me, and there's plenty of space for my laptop. There'd be space for a mouse here on the side. The base is heavy enough that, you know, it's not going to go anywhere. There's a lot of things I would use this for. I would definitely use this while I'm editing videos, as an artist making tutorials and time lapses. I do spend a lot of time editing videos, and this would be great. So I'm not always sitting down, slouched over a computer desk. I'd be able to stand up and edit from this. As well as when I'm painting, I would find this very useful to be able to have, you know, some paints up on top and my palette down below, or brushes up on top, palette down below, or my reference photo up here, and have other things down below. I find a lot of times my work area gets kind of overcrowded because there's so much that I use at one time. There's paints and brushes and water and your reference photo. I've been doing a lot of wood burning stuff, so I have my wood burning iron there. So this is going to help me create extra space so that I can work with all my materials actually there. And if I wanted to, I could actually stand up and work, which would help ease the back pain. Yeah, I think this is going to be super useful. There's a different version available of this. It's black, and it actually has 3 tiers. So it has the base, a middle, and a smaller top one as well. I opted in for this one because my laptop probably wouldn't have fit on that top tier, or it would have been close. And so I wanted just this bigger middle tier to have more space to work with. All right, so here's the full view of the sliding standing desk converter. I double checked, and this is the cherry version of it. So you can see here's my laptop on top of it there. It's a 13-inch MacBook Air, so you can see there's more room if you had a larger laptop. I'd say probably up to 17 inches would easily fit, if not more, with the side here. Here you could easily have a mouse or something. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to use this. I think it'll really help with back pain, as I am a pretty bad sloucher. And I think doing some of my future art projects, I've been doing a lot of small woodworking pieces, and it would be nice to be able to stand and do them. But for those ones I don't use an easel, I actually need a desk. And so I think this one will actually help with my productivity as well, increasing that. So if you're interested in checking these out, the company is called AnthroDesk. They are a Canadian company. So I'm happy to be able to support a Canadian company, being a Canadian artist. So you can go to anthrodesk.ca to check out their different styles of desks. There is a different one that has 3 tiers, and this one has 2 tiers. Yeah, I just think it's going to be awesome being able to stand up. As you can see here, I'm standing and my arms pretty much at a 90-degree angle. So I feel like that is the perfect height, at least for me. It can go up a little bit more, and it depends on the height of your base desk as well. This table here isn't super high. So go check it out. Go to anthrodesk.ca. I'll link it in the description below, so you can go and check it out. I think it'd be great for artists if you work in an office. Anytime where you're sitting at a desk and you need to be able to stand up and continue working, this would be a great product to look into. They also sell them on Amazon.ca. So thanks for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. And we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.